Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be doing the super wide chip bag. This was a requested video. Honey, really? Don't be rude. Okay, this was a requested video. I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys how I created this. These designs on the side, I pretty much made myself because I could not find a background that I liked. My husband is laughing at me. He about to make me mad. Okay, so first, I started with Google and typing in super wide invitations and just taking a look at these to get an idea of, colors and different schemes, pictures and things like that to get an idea of, okay, what is this about to look like? Now, I like the colorful one that they had. I was at first trying to do this, but I could not find those yellow beans background, which is how I ended up coming up with this one. But okay, so you go to Google, you type in invitation, and you pick out the one that you like. You don't have to do the one I'm doing, just pick out the one that you like. And then another thing you want to do is go to super wide and type in PNG. And this is giving you, all of your images with no background so that you can pretty much jazz up your chip bag however you want. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to the, I'm sorry y'all, I still got this from my old chip bag. Let me get rid of that. Lord help me. I thought I was prepared. Okay. Oh, Jesus. We're going to leave it. Okay, so to go ahead and get started, I pretty much, these was all the pictures that I downloaded, and pretty much I was like, I'm using these, and this is what I'm about to make my chip bag with. So I went on ahead and pretty much put this in the middle. And then this right here, I believe. Yes. Gotta bring this forward, so But my son, he loves super wide. I don't know why I never thought of doing a super wide chip bag. Like, it just never dawned on me to do. I don't know why. But anywho, okay. So you guys know I love borders. I put borders on everything. So let's go ahead, go to insert, go to shapes, and go to rectangle. And let's bring that bad boy on down. It's going to be green. And I want this a little bit darker. So just about right there. Yep, and then no outline. Now let's get these looking just right. Oh my god, y'all, this irks me. Okay, that looks great. Okay, then I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it, paste it down here as well. Try to get it on the same thing. Okay, great, perfect. It's looking right. Okay, so now what we want to do is I focus pretty much on my side designs. I was looking for a background. I really couldn't find one that I liked, so I made my own with the shapes, the triangle shape. It didn't look like that. Let me shrink that bad boy on down. Now, of course, I can't get it exactly how I had it in the other one, but that's fine. I pretty much just, wing it. But I had a blue one, and then I just copied it, pasted it, did this one right beside it, pretty much to where they were touching. Okay, then what color did I do that one? Red? Green. Okay, so let's go with the green. Copy. Now we want to do the red color. Bam. And then let's do one more. And this is going to be the purple. Yes, so let's do the purple. Let's go to fill. That one right there. That's good. And then I just went on ahead and hit push control and highlighted all of them. And then I went to group. So now they are all one picture. So I should be able to turn it like this. And then I put it on the edge. Pretty much, this is going to be the background. I copied it, pasted, and I'm going to do the same to this side, but I have to change the direction of it. I have to rotate it. So I go to format, rotate, and I go down to flip horizontal. Go, do what you're supposed to do, fool. Oh, I didn't highlight it. My bad, y'all. Rotate, flip horizontal. There we go. Okay. So now I'm just going to, that looks lined up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and send it backwards. Just push that bad boy on back behind everything. And I'm going to do the same to this one too. Send backwards, send back. I think that's it. Yeah, it's back behind it. Yep. And then of course you want to take out the black lines that you have, because you don't want them showing when you print it out. And then go ahead and insert your text now. So let's do happy birthday on the front. And I chose red letters outlined in white. And let's insert some more words. Uh-oh. Didn't even spell my own son's name right. What's going on? All right, let's see. Really, honey? Okay, and then if you go back to the invitations, these pretty much give you what you're looking for, your little slogan or catchphrase that's going to go on the back. Calling all super readers. Which if you are super wide like me, then you know that's what they be saying. So let's go to insert. Let's go insert this text. Calling is, wait, let me do that all caps. Super readers. And I believe I did this in red text as well with the white outline. I put this over here. All right. Bam, that fits perfect. Fits perfect, looks great. Now we are going to add our thank you message. Oh man.